Hello learners, welcome to Maths Magic 111 and today we are going to plot or mark root 9.3 on the number line. And for this you need compass, scale and pencil only, same things. And see, I have drawn a line. First step is that I have drawn a line. मैंने एक line draw कर दी है A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and at 9.3 I have drawn B and then from B to C I have taken 1 centimeter. AB is equal to 9.3 centimeter and BC is equal to 1 centimeter. Now in next step what you have to do, you have to make an arc. You have to make an arc from C and that should be more than half of AC. ठीक है, याद रखना more than half of AC. You have to make an arc from A also and that should be more than half, same distance. तो आपने C से और A से एक arc draw किया and then you have to make a perpendicular bisector. So this is actually perpendicular bisector of AC. And when you have made this, if I take it as D, see I have taken it as D and taking D as center, what I have to do? We have to take D as center and taking A as radius, I have to draw a semicircle. And I will draw a semicircle. This semicircle will come till C. Okay, it will come till C. The next step will be that what you have to do is that you have to join B and the semicircle C by a perpendicular. This should be a perpendicular. B and C, this should be a perpendicular. And then you have to take, again you have to take this as center and you have to draw another arc. Taking this point and then you have to draw another arc. Now you can see, if this is suppose E and this is suppose F, then BF and BF is equal to BE is equal to 9.3. Root 9.3. It will be value of root 9.3. You can draw the value of root 9.3 in this manner. So I hope that you have understood that what are these steps. First step is that you have to draw a line. You take AB is equal to 9.3 and then you take 1 centimeter more. Then you make an arc and make a perpendicular bisector. From this perpendicular bisector you draw a semicircle and then at B you just draw a perpendicular towards the semicircle. यहाँ पे semicircle को connect करना चाहिए BE and then again you draw an arc और जो BF है आपका वो root 93 के बराबर है, 9.3 के बराबर, सॉरी रूट 9.3 के बराबर है और इस तरह से आप मार्क कर सकते हो रूट वैल्यूज को ऑन नंबर लाइन. सो join us for more such questions. Thanks a lot. If you have any problem you can ask in comment. Thank you.